Sanbonan, Dumelang, Abusheni, Nda, Huidah, Nazige Kasebata Shapunjani, and welcome back to another one of Progressive Podcast. And today joining me is my friend in podcasting, Lisiho. Welcome to Progressive Podcast.
Hello, how are you, Sbu?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm well, thanks. I'm loving the new look.
Thank you so much.
And greetings to our viewer at home and wherever you are across the internet. Lovely to be joining you once again. And for me, it's my first time this year.
Yeah,
it's my first time.
It's been long, hey?
Yeah, no.
You've been hiding.
I had to go to the Barbados, somewhere to the Maldives, somewhere.
And how is the Maldives, if I may ask? How's
I shall
Maldives?
Google and I'll get back to you.
I can't wait to know about the Maldives, though.
But we have a very, very pleasant guest today in studio. I say pleasant because I had a few minutes with him off air and I already picked up his energy. And because you know him, you follow him on social media, I am just happy to introduce to you Utri Omncane. Welcome to the Progressive Podcast, Pudwami.
Yeah, but this is Utri Omncane. Into na say Dubai ne take into na shot overboard today.
Tanko.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so for joining us today on Progressive Podcast. And I wish who is Utri Omncane? Okay.
Yeah.
Manje 3. Why not U2 Omncane, U4 Omncane? Why 3 Omncane?
To be specific.
Kahle leli gama lengithule la eJohannesburg.
Okay.
Through content. Bengisebenza no Mr Double D. Shout out to Mr Double D2 ukhona ngisho na TikTok.
Okay.
Leli gama lifike kahle ngisebenza nabo.
All right.
Yes, ngiqanjwa kahle into eyenzeka kwenzeka kanje.
Awusichazela istory sonke nje.
So kwakufikile abantu beNewsroom emndini bezos interview.
Okay.
Kahle bebeze ngaye vele lokho Mr Double D wasothi uzofana team yakhe. Which is kwakuyitheam. So sathi basimese be rapper so basebethi asichaze sisho nga one by one. So mina ngangingobani. So mangabe babesho ngezibongelo mebeqala bengena uthi this is ubani okwasibani this is ubani. So mina ngihleli lapha ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayibo ngizothini mina. And at that time khona enye ivideo engithanda kudala ngafika o TikTok nane umuntu mfana nje like wayegqokile la Costa from isiqokwini to isicathule ehamba ngeoverboard yabo. Lokho ethi mina ngu3 mina yabona lokho ethi mina ngu3 so angijela ukusho njalo ukuthi mina ngu3 into naseDubai kanti nangasekhaya vele because mina ngumduduzi ne so ngasekhaya bengibona lokho bethi mdubane netheku kana seDubai yabo so ngihlanganisa lezo zinto ke le video engithanda plus negama lami nokuthi ngiphuma kuphi yabo yonke lokho ngasathi hayi ngu3 Omncane into naseDubai netheku into nashoda ngoverboard into ehambe layo.
Okay, so igama lakho elikhona nje eHome Affairs.
Yebo.
Umduduzi.
Umduduzi lase Home Affairs.
Okay. So
lasemphakathini nje Utri Omncane.
Utri Omncane elohereza kahle.
Yebo ngisho kanje.
Okay. Free of God. So I wish I get Utri Omncane like usithole kanjani mfethu so kule social media ushama ama skills like qale kanjani mfethu.
Okay, so bengafika hlahlela eJohannesburg ngifike ngo2022 size komunye ubhuti ekuthiwa Ricardo Katimani. He's an actor kwi-scheme sami.
Okay.
Shakathu Ricardo besihlala eClubhouse eThembisa.
Alright.
Theater khona. So mangabe khona umuntu nje sabenzwana la eThusi Phamandla waDlamini. So we photographer yena.
Okay.
Angisendele isithombe sakho Mr Double D phone. Lethi uyayazi lenkunzi lengithi mina ngiyamazi lo mfethu lo. Ethi kusasa ngifuna sihambe siyohlangana naye because wena wenza iacting ngiyacabanga ukuthi ungathanda ukuthi uyithole usuwenza ama skits naye.
Okay.
Wenza content naye yabo. Awuna kusasa ngivuke la ngempela sihambe siyekhona. Sihlangana naye eJozi Mr Double D bese siyahamba siye Soweto. So ngaleso sikhathi leso like bengile li actor leli elokuthi like asifuni lokho le content angibona into enziwa ama actors abantu ukuthi bathi ama content creators athi umsebenzi wethu so
but it's true though it's true
so nalo ngqondo leyo ukuthi content creator kwafuni labantu laba batrainwa ngisho nokutrainwa for acting aqoma sebethola ama role yabo so nalo ngqondo so mase ngihlele nayo Mr. Double D senze le content ngayithanda lento ayenzayo yabona le nendlela like nabantu besihamba emgaqweni indlela bamtreata ngayo yabo yonke lonto leyo so emva kwalokho kwasathi mina okay shoot lento le mele ngiyenze nami ngabe khamba isikhathi so ngase ngayenza nayo icontent ngo2023
okay
unyaka wonke then 2024 ngathi ngiyaqala ngenze yami le content
all right
yes aqala
okay so you're more dominant as a content creator or as a actor
mina ngingasho ukuthi ngi-actor cause
I don't know ama actors amaningi kahle kahle i-background yabo baqala kwi-theatre. That's where the love for acting. Most of them will tell you ukuthi we started with theatre and you must respect the theatre because that's where giants are born.
Yes and bakhona kakhulu abafethu esenze nabe theatre namanje abasayenzi theatre abahleli laphana abangayifuna ukuyifuna futhi nakhona i-content. Engize ngisachesa nabo namanje ngisabatshela ukuthi i-content mina nayo iyayishintsha impilo yami mina still bona bathayo.
Okay, before you go any further, Three omncane ne, mawuthi i-content ayishintsha impilo yakho like iyayishintsha kanjani?
Mina ngihlupheka kakhulu mfowethu, hayi kancane. Njengoba ngitshela nje ukuthi besihlala eClubhouse.
No, askis.
Khona lenye iqhawe lami nje 2K wango bese sasuka naye eThekwini ngo2022 futhi nakhona siqambile amanga because sabona ipost sasibuya ku Shakespeare Festival School yase ngo December kanje unyaka mengaphosi no ngoba January siqeda kuya ku December so sibona ipost kuthiwa kufunakala ama theatre practitioner around Johannesburg and at that time sasiseThekwini and mina nayo bafo siyafisa ukuza ngala eJohannesburg yabo and mina ngayengeza la eJohannesburg but ngahlala 3 months ngo2019 ngaphinde ngahamba yabo so siyafisa ukuza la eGoli Ketho siqamba manga naye apply so mes apply no Ketho sifake address ya la eJohannesburg kwama CV
of course mele make
it shintshe kanjani ukanti lo muntu uzobela sisendele message ethi kusasa size
scam alert
imali ogibela beyikhona beninayo imali ogibela
ngisathi ngizobuza nje
yazi isikhathi zinda intambama samtshela ukuthi okay sizokwazi ukuza but ngesikwazi ukuza kusasa ngilo phambi kwakusasa
sihlanganise
selukhamba yabo isebso uyintambama ikhathi yabo mangabe kuyintambama ikhathi uKhethu wathi asilinde uma wakafike abuye emsebenzini uMakhethu uma uKhethu ngaleso sikhathi wayesebenza ecar wash ukhona imali ayisavile kwaku 600 so wayeqeda resign ngayizolo ethi hayi ngeke yiyeka mina lento ecar wash ngifuna ukuyoqhubeka netheatre because vele ngasekhaya beshaya theatre no ngaleso sikhathi engafika indaba ukuthi sizoye eGoli because asazi umuntu la eJozi yabona le so ikude la kuthina emqondweni wethu ukuthi kungenzeka seGoli but siyafuna eGoli but nayi opportunity sivelile ukuthi okay kungenzeka seGoli yabo Kethu wakhulume noma wakhamtshela ukuthi ima kusasa ngihamba ngiJohannesburg uma khavela avume kanjalo ethi okay inkinga mntana nami ngahamba and uKethu umtshela vele uyazi unemali ukuthi ayigibelele yabona le hayi so isisele kumina indaba sisuke senithamisa sekhaya bese ekhaya khona umani ubaba bahleli singene sibatshela ukuthi okay sekuvele opportunity asambise iGoli uma athi othi ngibone athi phone uma abuke le message belethi hey bayantshontsha leGoli akukho la uyakhona awu ngimncenge kuba busathula ubaba vele athi hayi yekelani ingane ihambe izoza empilo abafana la begcineni bayekeleni bambuza impilo hayi avume kanjalo kuma athi mama nje mina nginayo imali ngizokwenza njani ngithi mina ngoba usuvumile ukhuleka
uzihlanganisa
ubonze njani lapho nginemjondolo emva kwendlu yabo yes ngicomputer ngisanda ukuthenga lo mjondolo futhi nawo ukuthole ngemali yakho ukushutha lokho isikwenzayo ngasekhaya so mangabe ngiya emjondolo wami ngifike ngibheka izinto engayidayisa ama lights ne-tent nezinye izinto ezincane nje zama equipment la uKhethu wadonsa okwakhe naye sambe se-Cash Crusaders eBrelem samba ngeenyawo futhi nakhona mase be-Cash Crusaders hey ilight yami engangiyithenga ngamali ngiyithenga 2500 bengaphezulu
bazoyithatha ngo300 cash
yebo washo exactly bathanda ngamnikeza le hayi ngabatshela ukuthi ngabatshela manje saphuma naye equipment yethu sabulo umgwaqo sangaphesheya ngafonela umama mthethe ma la ikhishuse das basicela beyithathe kodwa yami yabo uma vela ethi okay yazi ukuthini zama nomashonisa niboleka imali mina ngizokugcwalisela ngo300 sibengibuye emsebenzini khona ngizoyiboleka la wena hamba yabo suke ngeenyawo lokhithi osibuyile uthalo besifike uthalo nasibesitshela market ukuthi ayidayisekanga lezinto uthi market wasambe nisuke omunye umama sabe soboleka imali sabe sekuyena lo mama lo mama lo afika siboleka imali how siqale lapho
so nikwenza nini konke lokho because angithi bathe nize kusasa
yeah so angithi manje sekuyintambama so sakhuluma noma wavuma so khethwa kodwa waya ku mina
ngasekhaya
savuka ekseni sathatha lezi zinto sayicash crusader yabo so imini yonke sizama ukudayisa lezi zinto lezi yabo sizohamba the very same day but
ntambama all right okay
yeah so
calculate
so emini sihlanganisa imali yokuthi sigibele sihambe so cash crusaders lapha ikhathi osokuba lapha sokusuko 1
okay
ikhathi lapha so sibuyele ngenyawo uthando so kwathi kuyoshaya kuyoshaya 2 half past 2 lapho lezo ikhathi lezo ngithola imali khithi walungisa kubo ngabuyela ekhaya mina ngaqoqa zonke into zami khithi nayo babegeza
nifuna imali yokugibela accommodation ikhona kuleyo budget
Intenzakalile udirector lo esimthintile efonini simtshelile ukuthi asihlale ethembisa sihlale Soweto so waswasinikeza inamba yabo la number yama agents la wazibelana izindlu so waswasithulela indlu ka800 yayizwa into le so imali sesihlanganisile thina so plus ukhumbulelo 600 ekutshile ngawo ukuthi so edile imali encane lo 600 do thatha le ye rent plus le agent le imali bayifuna encane yazi uchathi ngathi sifika la Johannesburg safika 150 sesifike la Johannesburg 150
ingubo beninazo
saba nipuphu esasithelelwe yona iwafu namazambane noanyanisi yes
istove sokuphekela sona did you guys have any stove
ngizokutshela ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani siyeza kuleyo ndaba leyo ngibuyele emumva sihlanganise nokhethona kushaya intambama sipakishe so sinokhetho sibatshela ukuthi ngasekhabe besishutha yabo bani usibona ngasekhashutha yabo so asifuni ukubanikeza lento yokuthi sesiyahamba la ngasekhaya sesiyakunye indawo because abantu bangasekhaya mawusuhamba ngasekhaya uyabonakala ukuthi hayi uyahamba nje susekhona into engcono yokwenza yabo so asifuni ukuhambela la ngasekhaya sifuna ukuhambela ngakhithuba
all right
soqi impahla zami la ekhaya sidise le ngakhithuba yabo bese ngakhithuba sibike sithathe zonke ke sekugezile sesenze yonke into siphathe besiboneke emgaqweni ke sabe siphethe impahla ke sibanike ngakhithuba basakhetho abazi sikwenzakala because akaze sishuthe ngakubo ketho yena ujwayele ukuza ngasekhaya sokushutha ngoba so abazi kwenzakala yabo yeah so sithatha umunye ubaba ngasekhaya usebenza eMosa eThumulani asithatha sibeke ngasespa besibeke ispa tax okugcina le uke imali ethi moshaya kanjani yabo iFrance City lela ngaphambili sawakhokhela wonke lawo masithi la
ayithi iphethe ikhama equipment yoki
leyo city leyo ashilo khunjaneni park station lapha silezi impahla siphethe asifone nje ukuyiphatha siziba u2 and emqondo lethu standard leyo ukuthi ngesabuye la KZN sihamba nomphela ngesabuye enhlanhla sithi siyafika lapha egarage khona ibhasi eyimile lapha yomunye ubaba ngoku iGelline noma yimeyilungisa amathayi simbuza ukuthi amabhasi eJohannesburg ama ngakuphi because impahla siphethe isinda kakhulu abela lo baba lo yazi ukuthini sasana izimpahla zenifake la ebhasini because vele nami eJohannesburg ngize la igarage uzolungisa amathayi ayifake bese singene ebhasini ahambe nathi hayi kuyimande yo station bese sasihleli ebhasini but into zitsishila bese siyalinda ukuthi wonke umuntu angene ebhasini yes so ikathi siza ibhasi ifice garage not park station sifice garage sabuza udriver thina ukuthi amabhasi ayithi eJohannesburg akwathi yiyo li but isazolungisa amathayi ngoba ngiyabona into zenu ziyasinda ukwazi ukuphatha kahle fakani la bese ngihamba nani ngestation
konje kunini when was this
ngakusasa
no ngisho umnyaka
2022
which month
kwakungumhla safika ngomhla 10 February.
Oh, you're like it was in December.
Kathi February laphi
Okay.
lapho show. Hayi emva kwalokho ke singeneke lokhujaneni ebhasini sibe ngaphandle begcwala abantu size.
Okay.
Lapho ngaleso sikhathi umarket so wayekathi sisalungisa lento siyele lokhujaneni wayesilungisela ukudla okuncane.
Okay, like uma kakhetho uba uma wakho noma
like a friend's mom.
Oh, okay.
Sabangani lokhetho. So enkathi sisenza lento emini wasithengela ivorsi nesinkwa. So sesisi lapha eMontrose sithi siyadla ukudla kunqumele.
Yes.
Kunqumele ukuthi komile.
Awuna microwave mo.
Komile.
Where's the voice?
How? Safika la eJohannesburg speak sense ngene taxi. Sigibela lapha sathathwa amaphara khona lapha epark station siphathisa impahla zethu asifakise. So gibela itaxi ayithembithe siyaqala ukuza la. So masike klikha ke engqondweni zethu ukuthi
and nalawo maparafuni imali phela waniphathisa imali.
Sesegoli.
Ja.
Yeyona nto leyo. Hayo sesegoli manje. Hayi wasizile ukuzontshontsha kodwa umuntu asimazi lo muntu lo and kuthiwa khona umuntu esizohlangana la uzofika ezosilanda
manje khana uklicka senifikile time nipheka it didn't click ukuthi how
besisajabulela ukufika sesifikile bese kuyaclick ukuthi what if sizontshontsha la ngempela yabo sime lapha mefika igolf eligreen lesithatha impahla zethu sihambe mesifika ke lapha sifica umunye ugogo lapha mesifika lo gogo lona asitshela ukuthi ngesikwazi ukuhlalela eroomini eyodwa soba u2 uvumeleke amakhapuli ukuthi ahlale eroomini eyodwa boba u2 but uzozivumela for inyanga eyodwa bese ukhethu wathola indlu yakhe naye ngenhlanhla ke kuleli room azosifaka kulona lo mama lo khona umuntu okade wahamba kule room le ushila umbhede washiya ikhabethe washiya isitofu but istove uthi uzosidayisela sona lo mama ufuna 200 imali besinayo lapho ngathi kwakuyimalini 350 sakhipha 200 kwasaluka
150
yayibona le nakho semnyeza siyakhala yabo
mama
yabo wavuma sahlala so sesihleli ke manje ukhetho sifika kwakule singaki sifika kule sihlanu kuzoba umgqibelo isonto umsombulungu umandisa kwirehearsal. So sisahleli nje kanjalo nokhethona ukhethona ke lapho la iclick ingqondo manje ukuthi hayibo sesiseJohannesburg ukhetho sefike kubuka qale ubafa khaleke kasho ukuthi
seka frustrated ubhuti lo weposter sinimthintile so far
sesitshela sesifike lapha sikakamboni nene uxhumanise neagency yona esibenzile yonke accommodation yabo base sitshela ukuthi sesilathi bondo le khetho akhaleke ubafo kasho ukuthi fubuyile ekhaya and uyabona manje ukuthi kunzima ngoba ngendlela ekunzima ngayo bese sinempuphe uhalf la sino anyanisi namazambane yayibona lonto le asinalutho nje akho lutho nje and asazi ukuthi yiphi enye indlela esingenza ngayo ukuthi sithole imali and ngine camera encane nje ngisanda kuyithengile yabo so silale kwakuyisimi lokho la sihlanganise umfana wakamakhelwane ethi asiphelezele siye mall siyofuna izinto zokuthenga yabo asiphelezele siye mall saba nje
ubethembisa or Soweto
thembisa so wathi sikakazi siye
no I remember
so sisethembisa siye kwenye mall sasewini ethembise khona ukuthi sewini khona enye mall eseduze komgwaqo nje lapha sabe sekuyona leya mall leya siqale sihlane ngaphandle simtshele umfethu lokuthi sino 150 la bese ngeke la Shoprite asazi sithengani asinayo iphokugeza asinayo umshayelo asinayo imob asinayo shop
bekunzima
asinayo shop like asinalutho so that is why ukhetho like bayicabanga ukuthi yini sizoyithenga la yini esingesithenga yayibona le sangena sathenga amathini lawa amancane okunye sokuyisikubona sathenga amathini amancane sangageza ngakusase kukhonzisha sinayo ngakusase kusenzavuka sabuyela kule mall le yabona impahla leyo yokushutha abantu bebeza ushutha umuntu ithombe
yes
sithi usithombe nje sisodwa nje 10 rand esibashutha abantu belokho besibuka nje umunye asimkhombe sisithombe ethi siyabonga hambi yabo sithi asihlisa imali manje kuba
5 rand yabo yini anizona le business yama 5 rand
asihlisa imali manje kuba 5 rand
and before you go which year was that
2022
okay
2022 February
so sabona kushutha kanjalo imali besithola mhlawumbe imali esakwazi ukuyihlanganisa ngoba imali yendishi yokugeza yathi sihlangene sayithatha sayendlini safike sageza sisophinde sibuye sabuya mesibuya sashutha umunye ubaba laba balwana street nisha basitshela ukuthi usibophisa
ngoba nimshuthe without permission yakhe
yabo sasaba yabo satha siyikini lento
naye lo baba
sekulesa umgqibelo manje ngoba kusasa isonto usuku lokugcina sisihlezi ukuthi kusasa siyakuphisa yakuriza yabo lento le ke kuba umgqibelo sihlale because sisatshisiwe ukuthi ngesishuthe kuba uSunday ngiyakhuluma ithombe nje usana zo Instagram sabe sibhack sishuthe ithombe lokitho saba u2 uyayibona le so kuba uManday ke mangabe kuManday sibheke efonini ukuthi kuphi sisuke ewini lenyawo simqansi bese bemqansi akafike ku Ricardo thina akasibone asibuze sisiphuba kuphi asisuke Soweto thina siyafika nje la
but nikhuluma manga
siqaba manga sibuze ukuthi kuphi neSoweto yabo mhlawumbe sitshe uzothuka bese ethi hayibo niSoweto nje ke ngibuyela emakhaya
okay
yabo yonke lento le show asihlale sihlangana khona nokwanele Mkhize shout out to wakwanele Mkhize he's an actor ushaka ilembe
okay
edlala insila kaShaka
okay that's your boy
insila kaShaka
sifice yena ke lapha no Francina no Velemina yabo yeah so space rehearse ke nabo so thami ikhambe isikhathi la ukwanele naye lo esinaye la naye une story esicishe sifane nesithu
yabo
le yena meza ku rehearsal uphatha ama CV athi uyofaka ama CV kanti uzo rehearse yabo yena wasuke KZN esontweni ngano waqutshiswa umuntu asonta naye
okay
usindisiwe yabo so wathi usomevu ekseni uqamba amanga kulojitha asonta naye ukuthi uyofaka ama CV kanti uza ku rehearsal
and that just shows ukuthi industry or creative industry abantu abaningi abayi considerishi as a job as a career they don't take it that seriously bafuna ukuthi hamba ufuna umsebenzi take your CV you can't say no I want to be an actor umuntu akuthathe serious most of the time it's man I'll be serious man look for something in an office or emafemini so he had to pretend ukuthi ufuna umsebenzi formal
and mind you
not creative
basilana ukhetho kubo bamtshelile ukuthi kumele kusheshe kuhlanganiswe izinto ngoba ngeke bekwazi ukuthi bemsupport ekuthengeni ukudla khokhwele rent zonke into ekanjalo yabo so siyasho ukuthi hey kumnandi khona la Johannesburg kodwa hayi ngathi ngesihlalo isikhathi eside sizosheshe kunzima vele impupho esizendawo la sicasha zencane
so umncane wena kahle uchaza ukuthi ngaphandle kweacting mhlambe anzange ngicabanga mhlambe ufuna umunye umsebenzi or mhlambe niye ko Shoprite nilahlela ama CV nyana benzele nje iacting nje kuphela
yes gagazi
so big up to you my bro should lento benizele nje ngokholo sibe kanjalo
besizile kanjalo
okay ngiyaqhubeka
mangabe sihleli naye la ukwanele nasitshela istory sifana nesapho ukuthi bafike lo mthiso la onhlala lapha nami uqala izinsuku ezincane yabo lapho Ricardo njengoba sihleli la esontweni ubone emasontweni ukuthi kuba khona izindlu ezincane ngaphandle uforum lezo zindlu lezo sitshela uRicardo le yandlu le yali isima kanjani ngoba singayigada thina le yandlu yabo sihlale nje vele khona ama artist akahlala khona but kwaba khona inkinga ngizokhuluma nomfundisi ngimuzwa ukuthi uthini bese ngibona kunini sithi alright ayikho inkinga ihambe inyanga ngoRicardo sekhuluma akhulume namfundisi sithi umfundisi basezoqala behlangana izimember yesonto bese kuyavunyelwana yabo so isikhathi siyahamba ke abakahlala izimember yesonto kuvunyelwana but umfundisi usedlulisile indaba kanjani
but at least inyanga ayikapheli
siya ngakhona
sivuka sekurehearsal insuku ziyahamba sivuka kurehearsal
sekushoda nje ukuthi nithola uma standa nesakile
uma stand uzositshela uzohlala inyanga eyodwa sibonke kethomela thole room yakhe so uRicardo simtshela ukuthi hey director la sihlala khona mele yabonka la
deadline
and uRicardo nje wasisebenza naye uselibonile italente ubona ukuthi hayi lezi zinto ziyashisa and lase simshaka lento ukuthi sifuna uyabona ukuthi mase kuthiwa siyahamba uzolahlekelwa yithina so mele akhuphula amasokisi ayizame naye le yandlu leyana yabona into leyo hayi umfundisi kasho ukuthi kusuke umhlaba ngicela kwasosuku kusuku lokugcina lwana inyanga isizophela uRicardo atshela umfundisi ukuthi hey mfundisi inyanga yokugcina le nabafana bayaphuma lapha yabo so manje sizokwenza njani asomfundisi hayi esontweni besingakahlali sikhulume izimember yesonto kodwa ngoba lithi sekunjalo sekunyanga yokugcina kuzani mina icala labo ngizolithwala mina
okay
size sifika qali lapho ke kube mnandi ke ngicathi yonke enje ukuthi izingibe la eJoseph isikhathi eside
okay
so qale yonke into ke lapho sikile endlini clean sikhiphe yonke into bose siyihappy ukuthi asesizohlala ready ngesicycle manje sihlale lapho hayi oqala kwanda izimali lapho ila kwashuka khona ke lapho because imina ngede ngizothi ekhaya bengisupport yabo
yes
so bekunzima kakhulu
melu share nabangane
yes bekunzima kakhulu because besidla
benihlala bayingaki lapha benihlala no2 nomngane wakho
besihlala siba u3 mina ukhetho kwanele but sajoinwa umunye umfowethu ethudileni
naba u4
behlala ePitori
okay
umpeti behlala ePitori so naye wayithinta uRicardo etsofuna ukungena kwi-theater wasebenza kuthina so mefika kuthina uRicardo amtshela ukuthi ngoba uyatravel usuke ePitori uza la hlala nalaba la endlini
so selishaya refugee camp nyana esontweni
wathi hlala nalaba la endlini yayibona into leyo wahlala nathi kanjalo sababa u4
so bafo nize decide ukuthi ni risk kangaka yini ngetheater enanza ukuthi nize decide ukuthi like ni risk bafethu ningafuni eminye imisebenzi ni stick kuyo leyo nto leyo imali noma mhlambe yikuthanda nje noma ikufisa ukwenza into ngenhliziyo bebe kuyini
bangabe like uyi-actor mase uzoye kuhambe uyofuna umsebenzi zamanye ama-actor abuye ngazothi wenza ebhedayo ngazothi usugive phila ngazothi uyaflop yabo kunzima ngisho kwawena utshela i-act ukuthi ayi sengiyasebenza manje sengizimile kancane yabo khona uzobona ngazothi hayi lento le usuyiyekile even nathi ngaleso sikhathi leso sasisho ukuthi thina nomsebenzi akhohlwa ngamele sibuyele ekhaya sambe siyozama futhi sithi hayi lapha emsebenzini babheni washana sizobona 6000 so enza 6000 yabo sasinaleyo ngqondo leyo nje
so you believed ukuthi acting akwenzela imali edlula leyo
because besena le vision ukuthi sifuna ukuvusa amakithi sifuna ukwakha ekhaya so ngeke imali ukuthi sihambe sosebenza
contract yini
sizokwazi ukuvusa umuzi ekhaya so besinga umunye umsebenzi ngaphandle kwalo esicabanga ukuthi wona uzoshintsha impilo yethu
okay manje ushintsho uqale kuphi ke lapho like njengoba benihleli no4 lapha eromini leno then uthe kuye kwabanzima ngithi okay asichazele lapho uthi kwakunzima kanjani mfowethu like
yo into eyayinzima phothi oqala besirehearsa from Monday to Saturday si off on Sunday kuphela nyaka wonke from 2022 from kwazi washa uDecember na 2023 senza leyo nto sidle kabishi nyaka wonke yabo ngendlela esasipheka ngayo futhi ikabishi kwakuhlukana ukuthi
nyakala phela
lipheko wena sizolitesta ngenye meliphekwa yimina sizolitesta ngenye indlela melipheko ubafu sizolitesta ngenye indlela yabona
hayi noma utwana enyanya esayidini bafethu nezintamo zenkukhu
thina sasithenga ngisho inkukhu ichicken ema pieces emakulini sijike sibeke efrijini lani inkulu sisawusibekele lapha efrijini lakho yes asibekele khona lapho sithe yo kwakunzima kakhulu nyawo khona la ngalifuna khona ikabishi nje ngisa hayi ikabishi but baze kungconywana ukuthi hayi ikabishi ngilifune
so now looking at experience yakho yonke le would you advise an actor right now or umuntu othi I want to do theater ngile ekudeni Eastern Cape emdantsani wherever would you advise them to pursue their dreams the way you did or no come rain, come thunder, go wherever you believe, whether it's Durban,
leave
whether
everything,
it's Joburg, whether
leave
it's Cape Town,
everything.
Go for greener pastures. Uzobona phambili. Would you advise them to follow your path?
Yabona ngithenga kulento le acting ngakhumbula izinto zakudala, khumula kudala ukuthi mabe kuthiwa ufuna ukwenza acting. Kuthiwa hayi qala ufunde kuqala before wenze because nemsebenzini iyabheda. Yabo kuye kwangiklikela lokho ukuthi angcono kuthiwa mhlawumbe khona into engaqala ngahamba ngayo ifundela before because nemsebenzi wethu lekhisha.
Yeah. I'm seeing right now we industry, especially the acting industry, also with the recent protest, I think it was January, February, March, we saw a lot of actors, they were protesting Lapa Pretoria. I think they went to Parliament and they were just crying out, Uguti department, please. Can you help us as actors? We are not getting roles. There were a lot of grievances by actors, and we saw a lot of prominent actors. Yes. Lapo, they were protesting, and I still not even today the issue has not yet been resolved. I think they're also supported by NFVF. There were other production houses. Amanye, they came forth and they were also in solidarity. Nama actors. So it shows Uguti there are a lot of challenges till today. that actors are facing, including the prominent actors, the well-known ones who have been in the industry for about 20, 30 years.
Yes.
Now, what would you say to...
And ngama actors are talented.
Yeah.
Aseza give up power.
Oh, of course.
Because even mina so ngafika la eJozi ngifike ngo-2022 but angakaze ngithole i-character eqinile engizosho ukuthi hayi yiba kwi-breakthrough le but yabona ukuthi ube-content angikaze ngiyenze ngabe bese ngibuyele ngisho ekhaya.
Okay, bafungisa
uphekeni lokho sekuganga sekwenzekile.
So would you still say ukuthi no, go ahead, follow your dream even if you see ama-challenges akhona manje?
But ngisacela ukubuza umbuzo ngiyaxolisa ne. Umehluko ukuphi phakathi kwe-mainstream like as an actor, umehluko ukuphi doing i-mainstream and ukusishare content yakho?
Umehluko kanjani Bhulu?
Yini ama-actors amaningi efisa ukuthi azithole ekumabona kude kunokuthi umuntu azicreate like i-content ayiposte ku Facebook nakwezinye inkundla nje zokuxhumana?
It is because kunemali ku-TV yabona.
Okay.
Kunemali ku-TV, kuyadependa futhi nakhona ukuthi ubizelwe yiphi character yabona nto leyo. Kunemali ku-TV, ngiyayishintsha futhi nempilo yomuntu kakhulu.
Ukwenza i-content kona kuhluke kuphi?
I-content manje yabo manje i-content I think manje iya take over kakhulu manje content. I think iya take over kakhulu because even ama actors asemi-TV manje afuna ukushaya i-content manje yabona nto leyo because imali ikhona i-content manje isikhona content.
So wena ake ngithi mhlambe kunomuntu mhlambe kubukele nje manje ne officer naye ukuthi asithole enza lento yenzayo eku-acting noma enza ama-skits, you understand? Lo muntu lo ungam-advise kanjani? Yini engcono? Ake ngithi mhlambe uyahluleka ukuthola ama-role a-serious kumabona kude, kunga-right yini ukuthi asiqalele ukwenza yakhe i-content mhlambe njengendlela yokuthi aziphilise?
Ngamsiza kakhulu ayikho into edla ukuqala but nanoma yini leyo nayo ungalindi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngize ngithole ukuthi kuze ngizoqala ukuthi lokho nakho nje qala ngakho okunye nokunye kuzokufica time usebenza time wenza. And
enye into
ezi-content bafivula iminyango kakhulu yabona nto leyo.
And as before like angisichazele kabanzi uyazi it's one thing that I want to understand ne i-content ivula kanjani, like wadala kanjani amathuba, and okokuqala ne iwadala kanjani amathuba, okwesibili i-content ikhokhela kanjani? Ake ngithi mhlambe uFacebook for example uqala kanjani ukuthi akukhokhele? Kumele ukuthi ube nabalandeli abayingaki, kumele ukuthi ube nama-likes ayingaki, uyabona leyo nto leyo?
Okay, so ku-Facebook like uyawaposta nje ama-video then bazobe sebekusendela i-invitation yokuthi umonetize i-content yakho then uzobe usufaka ama-details akho asebhenki-ke nomgwaqi, ama-address and everything yonke leyo nto leyo.
Okay.
Yes, i-personal zakho.
So wena useyahola lapho usumonetizile?
Yes, umonetizile.
Kokuthatha isikhathi singakanani ukuthi umonetize?
Ngimonetize last year December.
Okay.
Monetize ku Facebook but ngiqala uku-withdraw last month.
Last month.
Yeah.
Okay, the reason why I'm asking ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi naloyo umuntu obukele nje manje ofisa ukuthi asiqalele eyakhe ilokhuzana i-content creation as ukuthi okay ukuze uhole noma uqala ukuthi monetize i-content akumele ifike ezingeni elikanje. You understand?
Indlela evula ngayo ama-opportunity content angithi ama-casting director nabayabuka ku-TikTok babuka ubani yabo. So uma ngabazi yena ukuthi okay mina ngifuna umuntu owukuthi ethi ilalela nje busuke ngena ku-TikTok vele ahlangane nami vele nangu lo muntu. But if i-content awuyenza uzobona kanjani ukuthi nangu umuntu engimfunayo? Angithi yabona nto leyo. So mehle nje endlini sami ngenza i-content kufuneka umuntu owumZulu ku-KZN onetshebo kanje kanje bengena ku-TikTok uzothi nangu umuntu engimfunayo.
You've pre-auditioned.
Santhi ku-email then kanjalo yabona nto leyo. And into emnandi futhi nakhona ama-brand like aphesheya akuthinta ugcina usuyitholela imali yabona nto leyo. Because kuyimanje nje mina ngikhokhela i-rent la ngihlala khona ngenxa yayo lokhu social media yabo. Akusafani nje kudala sikhaya yabo ukuthi ngilinde ukuthi bengisendele imali. Kusafani nje ngo-2022 ngidla ikabishi yabo. Angidle kokhona manje ngikufunayo.
Kusho ukuthi asekho isidingo sokuthi ama-film companies ayenze ama-audition. Singabe sikhona isidingo sokuthi bahost ama-auditions?
Bayawenza ama-audition ngisho ukuthi bafuna bebona ukuthi uwe lo sikufunayo but bayakutshela ukuthi yenze self-tape ukuthi ibe khona just nje ugcine i-procedure and everything yabo.
Oh, okay.
Siyo audition nje. Into ehlezi ikhona.
Manje usithole kanjani usuku uzalo? Hey madoda, hey lensizwa. From eGoli back to eThekwini futhi.
No, kwakusaseThekwini lapho.
Oh, okay.
Yes, kwakusasese kwaku2021 lapho.
Oh, before uzalana.
Before ngizile kwaku2021 lapho.
Oh, ayibo.
Yes, kwaku2021 lapho. Ngiku Shakespeare Festival School futhi nakhona. Cause ngo2020 I was an extra khona kuzalo, yabo. So timing lokho ngenza ngibe extra. Ngase ngathola irole yokuthi ngizoba yifriend yomuntu, yayibona lonto le. So mina ngangishutha mangabe kuzoshutha yena lo mjitha.
So we extra or we supporting cast?
Ngizothi featured.
Yes. Okay, ubukhuluma or uyilaba nje aba sign language.
Ngahlahle yini featured?
Yeah. You had live.
Okay. Featured chiwe, yabo. Uthi wena bafuzo bizwa for ukuthi uthole irole.
You have a role.
Bese kuthiwa I lo udinga umngani.
Yeah.
Yabo ngiyaza kwazi usabe yes storyini.
Yeah.
Asike featureisha umngani ozoba namalines lo ukuthi hey bafo uyapi siyale owasana.
So when your character dies, he's
gone.
Make sure wena nami ngiyashutha. Yabo.
Okay. Uphila ngawe.
Yabo ukuthi bazobona italent ekumina bese bethe khona potential kulo. Asikhande nestory kani sakhe.
Yeah.
Then
develop.
Ngaba nalo.
Okay. Okay.
Yona hlahlo ngaba nayo leyo. But yeah.
Yeah, ungaqhubeka ngifuna usizwa kahle leso ukuthi uzalo kahle kwenzakaleni.
Oh, so yes, ngase ngithola kanjalo. So ngathi into omunye umjisa kuthiwa ayanda. Wangitshela ukuthi hey bafo awushayela amalines amancane ngibona ushayela usendele video ngibona. Then ngamsendela kusasa wasuthi angifikele then ngafika kwaba kanjalo.
Kodwa bebekudabulela kahle lapha kozalo. Bakhona indaba afana.
Yeah, ngalesa sikhathi vele ngoba vele nemali ngangayiboni.
Yeah.
Ne role bincane
Nkosi yami.
Into engijabulela kakhulu ku-opportunity.
Uyavela.
So ubonga lokho okutholile kahle.
Opportunity into engijabulela kakhulu kunakho.
Ngoba kuyakwadala futhi amanye amathuba nalo.
Kakhulu.
Okay.
Because siyafaka lapho ku-CV ukuthi hey ngiye ngathola opportunity okuvela endaweni ukuthi bese bethi kushuthi ngeke uzuthuke bese kubiza ngeke uzusenzela into esingazi
lama studio amakhulu
ushela isikhathi.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Kanjalo yabo.
Okay.
Mina, I'm particularly interested now in your image. Your Zulu pack. Awubuza nokuthi uyaphi ekhaya bhuta. Siyazi ngebasibona kamgale. Tell us about your image. Is it you saying I'm proud of my roots? Or is it you saying, look, I'm a creative?
Yeah.
And
it's an identity.
Yeah.
Yasho
indlela echaza ngayo
le creative namasiko like roots nokuthanda like uZulu yabo yonke lonto yanje because yonke into engiyenzayo noZulu
or ufuna ukusigwajisa la ngaphandle kwesaba amaZulu.
Shoda nje nesiphandla uyabona nje.
Yes inoZulu phakathi.
So you're a cultural guy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisho kanje.
Kodwa iyakusebenzela bafo like ake sibuyele futhi kwi content creation yakho. Uma uthi umugqoka kanje kwindlela oyichaza ngayo noma kwindlela echaza ubuZulu bakho ingabe iyakusebenzela yini ingabe futhi ikulethela ama followers amaningi amaZulu noma nezinye inhlanga ziyeza yini sikuxhaze?
Yangisebenzela kakhulukazi kwama brand deals yabo. Yes yangisebenzela
nice
brand deals because isikhathi esiningi bafuna ukwenza bafuna umakhetha into ezokwazi ukuthi isheshe ifike kubantu and into ekhulunywa kakhulu eSouth Africa isona isiZulu yabo so bayabheka ukuthi okay if lo engayenzi ipromo ingasheshe ifike la sifuna yakho.
Oh nice.
Kanjalo
ayihlukile kakhulu no Big Zulu ngithi Big Zulu naye uyendoswa Alan Edwards iDMD yeah promote impahla zaka DMD. Okay cha kusho ukuthi iyakusebenzela.
Yeah kakhulu because ngizothi ngize khona i-brand deal engayithola yaka KFC la babefuna nje amaZulu bafuna umZulu because ngabona ngisho ibhayo yakhona ukuthi le bhayo lo muntu ubhale ngazo wazi mina kunjani ibrief yakhona ibrief yakhona uyayibona ukuthi hayi le ikhuluma nami ke le brief because khona nala engafaka khona isingisi kancane kwathiwa
isuyayimosha
faka isiZulu sifuna isiZulu ngqo ngabona ukuthi labantu laba bafuna amaZulu nje straight yes yabo so ngasho ukuthi akwangisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngiqhubeke kanje yabo yeah because nama ama brand deals angithintayo ngiyabona ukuthi hayi bangithinte ngoba bazi ukuthi bafuna amaZulu bangibona nendlela engqoka ngayo yabo yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right. So mina, I'm interested in you now motivating umntu ofuna ukufika la ukhona, because the reality is people think ukuthi it's easy. People think ukuthi you even have umuntu athi akasafuna ukuqeda matric yena ufuna ukungena kwi creative industry yena ufuna ukuvela ku TV. They think it's glamorous. Abazi ukuthi wena ukuze ufike kuleyo scene uzalo uhlupheke kangakanani ukuze ufike la eJoburg. It was a mission. They think ukuthi nje I just need to, you know what, stop school.
Into engayisho mina kubantu ukuthi
ngicela uba encourage khulume neqiniso ukuthi this is the reality.
I think mina umuntu ofuna ukuyenza like ngabathatha ama chance ayenza bona ukuthi izomthatha kumbekiphi yabo, because noma ungahlupheka kangakanani ekugcineni lento leyisebenza ngenhlanhla ngithabo, because when if ungazi uyenza acting uthatha awukazi uyenza nje awakazi awazi lutho.
Is there need to go to drama school?
No. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi wena uthatha awukazi wayenza bese ngiyakutshela mina ngithi mina khona ama audition endaweni ukuthi asambe siye khona bafike bemthatha mina sengihlupheke ngahlala nobani bani ngenza 1 2 3 4 5 bese beyakuthatha kanjalo.
So egcineni kuya nangenhlanhla
iya ngenhlanhla yabona, because ngakutshela ukuthi kunzima kulento le kuyahlupheka kwenza ukuthi nokuthi
ngiyafike nje
bese kuthiwa o3 banamanga hey banamanga abafix laba sabahlala kwama podcast bakhuluma izinto engekho mina kwavile kwathi.
Would you say talent is enough?
Serious
is talent enough? More talented nje kwanele oh
yeah yakhuluma imjisi ethiwa ongizwana nathi uJobe wangitshela ukuthi italent luba wathi lu 60% then u30% ukuthi ukholelwa kuyini.
Okay.
Yes, angithebona into le because ngisho ungaba talented kangani baningi sibaziyo ngisebenza nabo aba talented
sebagive up.
Yes. Vele kufike nje ongazidi ukuthi ngithi yabo lo mthatha kancane lothi lo akana talent ngamhlula manje. Abele kwenzele ibuwa mfana.
Okay.
Abele kwenzele ibuwa bemthathe on the spot manje. Wena kuthiwa imancane so sikubone uyenza kakhulu.
Manje bafo esikhathini esiningi manenza create i-content yakho usebenzisa ini like ifoni noma no camera guy wakho mhlawumbe okushutayo aphinda editele?
Sisebenzisa ifoni but nginawo cameraman okushutha ngayo ifoni.
Okay.
Yes, nama mic yeah nama reflector sisikhathi mangabe thikela.
Okay. So ngaphandle kwaloko ingabe yini futhi oyenzayo bafo like
ayike into engenza ngaphandle kwe content okwamanje yes okwamanje but isifiso sami mina ekwenzeni i-content ngifuna ukuba ku TV. That is yonke yangenza ukuthi ngenze content ngifuna abantu bebone talent lami
ngoba uke wachaza futhi we3 omncane ukuthi uya director. So umu director uyenza kanjani yonke leyo nto ngoba manje
bengidirector ama theater shows.
Okay.
So sikhathi khona abafethu bengisebenza nabo ase KZN even la eJohannesburg bakhona bengisebenza nabo yabo because benginano ngigcina ukuperform eMarket Theatre. It was 2024 yeah it was 2024 ngicela ukuperform one henda wami udirectwa yimina kanye noSiphelele Thungo. Yeah we are writer lapha kuZalo. We are writer. Yes.
Can you tell us in a few lines ukuthi what does directing entail? Because now if someone says I want to go into film and television, siyabona nje makupheli show ukuthi hey executive producer, hey director, hey script writer, hey what is the duty of a director? And I just know they shout quiet on set.
So more director today is creative treatment and everything yabo. Then we must hlala phansi wenze into ethi blocking ukuthi okay sibona mengena lapha ethi cash lama lines okay ngawa deliver kanje lo message bese yasuka lo amuva ahambe yoma ngala kuze mayiphele isini izokwenziwa ukuthi
okay
ya direct into kanjalo so adla so guide into sokubhalwe phansi
okay
but wena bese uyenza ibe mnandi ngendlela yakho yayibona ngento wena mangabe ethi lo wena kanje ungasheshi uphendule qala umbuke before mase uyaphendula ke angitsebona lento le yes mase emva kwalo maqeda noma musho lamalenzi akho usukume mase uyamove uzomangala yena mase uyamove ethi kanje so usuku director hlahla blocking
okay Hey siyabona
nelula i-theater ne TV
yo i-theater inzima kakhulu i-TV ilula phela i-TV na uyawazi ukuthi cut ngicela la lines ngwashongo kahle
theater is live ne
angwashongo kahle la lines yabo i-theater once kwathiwa action kuyahanja show yonke ngisho kuthiwa wena ungakhohlwa ama lines akho manje mina manje back up manje
manje warifa ngakhumbuli ke warifa ngakhumbuli kama line wami
yes mina back up manje
okay
thola indlela yokusave show akukwazi ukuthi ngizothi ayi kusho ngoba ukhohliwe nami ngizothula hayi
nizoba senkingeni nonke noyi2
yes
or the whole cast
yonke even if thina soba u2 when use backstage even if thina soba u2 stage like shawe blackouts kuyaqisha oyedwa se backstage bela fika ezosave show
as something nje creative
yes afika ezosave show stage
wow
khona kwenye in 2021 kwenye show edlala phane lokudlaleni duty playhouse uthi na siyayazi yawazi ama results akhona yabona lonto le so abanye abantu abazi ukuthi kwakwenzakalani lapha so yabo mangabe ku result kusetshenziswa so ingakho kuthiwa kubalekile ukuthi nishane first dress rehearsal ngalezi zinto ezoperforma ngazo yabo lonto so mangabe si rehearsal kusetshenziswa igubhe ezincane shawe ukuthi bese zomela ubani bazoshawa idrum bese sho lama lines kuzoshawa into ukuthi kanti bese kuyoperforma kuzophathwa isigubhu lesesikhulu kanti umuntu uzovukwa idluze stage
yo
for real
yes ishow ihamba
udemo
udirector wahamba way backstage waqoqa ingubo emhlophe wangelisha idance kanje
as if it was part of the script yet it wasn't
yes wafika washa idance pick up waphuma naye baqhubeka ishow yahamba abaza bayanthina because siyawazi ama results akhona siyazi ukonzakala
and even your facial expression amelanga ujumpisa ukuthi yenzeni
kwenzakaleni mele athi la ngewa susenda angithi yabo uthi bengane like kumela umuntu oseceleni athuke
yazi
hayibo wenzani manje lo yabo ngwathi nathuka but audience izobona ukuthi
yes
kwenzakalani manje
that's the beauty of it right
angithi yabo audience akumele ibone ukuthi kwenzakalani because inene nazi show abayazi bona ishow angithi meli hambe
I love that
because ngeze ukwazi ukuthi sithi cut uqale phansi ubuke
abantu bahleli lapho
usuhlala mhlawumbe 30 minutes onke
ethusi abantu uvuke idlo ishow isiningi
apology audience nenkinga
we dealing with the dlozi hayi bo
okay and that's why you are creatives because Melanie be creative creatives okay
yes
manje there's something about acting nokubona even from I love soapies I grew up loving ama soapies telenovelas sinokubona ukuthi hayi ubani bani is pregnant in real life an actress maybe Betty mhlawumbe she's pregnant but she doesn't want her pregnancy to be part of the script so she needs to take a break and be removed and be removed from the show as a director or whose duty is it now to now come and see what happens to remove that person and bring in new
uzosho early sisusa
yes
ngikhulele so bazotshela uright ukuthi ngizamela
ukutwista lapho nenze something
bazotshela abantu ababhalayo
and then into
ngizama ukutwista
and then something that happens suddenly like mhlawumbe umuntu ashone in real life yet la ku scene ku script she had an active
into emnandi lapho ukuthi ngisibaba bayasho ku TV ukuthi sibani useshonile so if kwenzeka ama twist lapha ngeke nithuke kakhulu ngoba niyazi
ngoba sesiyazi
but I always see they do it smoothly they do kuba ngathi you knew ukuthi lo muntu uzoshona
no ukuthi futhi kwesinye isikhathi angithi kwesinye isikhathi into abayishuthayo mhlawumbe sokuthi shoota manje tuzodlala in the next
because I know you shoot it 3 months in advance yes
kwesinye isikhathi lo muntu vele izinto za 3 months useyishuthile
okay
uyashona manje into ya 3 months
thina sisabuke saphila
so uzosho ukuthi bazosho labo ukuthi ishe izokukhatheka kabuhlungu lapha because ngeke phela simtshela ukuthi mase uzoshona usho ukuze
You can't even.
Mase uzoshona usho uze sizoyivala lapho.
No, because I always see by vala smoothies. Ayikho nje isoapy or
It's what I've just said. They're creative.
No, they're
right?
creative.
Like, whatever abayenzayo, like they are creatives. And
but into emnandi ukuthi ngathi indlela abakwazi ukuyivala ngayo ukuthi umuntu osuke eshonile mhlawumbe mekuthi unomndeni estoryini. Bayakwazi ukuthi story besibheka phela ngalo.
Because sometimes naku story bayibulala character.
Yes, yabo besibheka phela ngomunye mhlawumbe nje ukuthi uzothi usibanibani mhlawumbe nje ukuthi ngizothi bafo mhlawumbe kuline yami yokugcina bengishayini ngithi bafo ngiyabuya ngisayijimini then ngihambe ngejimini mhlawumbe thola ukuthi lawo mali azade ngiwasha izolo namhlanje ngiyashona but lonto izodlala in the next 3 months bazozama ukuthola indlela yokuthi wena usho ukuthi hayibo uyazi ngithola icall sibanibani sesejimini wabelwa linyazo ukuthi mhlawumbe kanjalo
okay
so
bazama ukusikhatha story
sizokwenza
njani ukuthi simvale lo
muntu. I've always wondered how do they do, because I've always seen it done smoothly.
obalulekile ubani mfethu like film production, is it a writer, is it a director noma ngama actors, but odlala indima okuyiyona yona umuntu okuthi mhlambe makuthiwa lo akekho ayikho into ezwenzeka, including ama producers, like ubani kahle
in terms of ukuthi kushoot behind shoot
in terms of ukuthi in terms of i-production ukuthi isebenze nje ibe impumela danki exist.
Who's the brain?
Yebo
ukuthi kuya depend ukuthi kwesikhathi basebenzisana kanjani bebonke, yabona kwesikhathi bayakwazi ukusebenza i-head ingekho yabo kwesikhathi abakwazi kuya depend ukuthi production, because ama production asebenza ngendlela engafani. Yes, asebenza ngendlela engafani ngithola ukuthi lo oyi-head kwi set akakho.
So what has been your favorite or highlights of your career so far? La ngathi yazini la I had best moments or memories. Into enjoy kakhulu so far into sakhula in the industry, usazoya overseas, usazowina ama SAFTA ama what awards, but so far what has been a highlight ye career yakho?
Yo yona content 2026 yo wisha kakhulu impilo minyaka uqala ngoba phela last year vele ngeke ngisho ukuthi bekungcono bekulula but bekungconywana yabo yeah, but
this year
yazi ngifile ngazi ukuthi unyaka usuyophela because kuningi kakhulu sekwenza kanjani.
How
kuningi kakhulu
thina sikakenzi next 2026 wena so far so achievile
hayi bafo
sekuningi kakhulu ngakazi kaligibela but this year sengigibelile kabili.
Congratulations, that's an achievement.
Kabili yo
congrats
kakhulu. Imali kuyangena nje mhlawumbe kuyi account yami over 50k.
Yo nazwela bafethu
from content creation.
Yes, in content.
Wow. Okay guys, switch on your phones. Switch on your phones.
Bafethu ayikha
shoot that content on
yo bafo
singenile
from just content creation
from January ngifika nje la.
So like
yes,
how many followers do you have, bro? Like nama followers ayengalo
300k followers ku TikTok, Instagram ngiyosha 14k, ku Facebook I have 21k. Yes.
So yona yipi eholela nje manje noma ziholela zonke?
Facebook ukuthi uTikTok uza nama opportunities amahle. Yabo nano Instagram uza nama opportunities amahle. But Facebook yona
uholela leyo mali.
But imali enkulu engiyitholile mina ngiyithole ngama brand deals not for Facebook. Imali engisayithola
Facebook
kakhulu. Ayifike ngisho 1k imali engisayithola ku Facebook. Imali engisayenzile nje ama brand deals.
I like that you're talking about brand deals, because now you get brand deals because you are a brand. Ngicela ukhulume nomuntu obukele manje this podcast ukuthi what's the importance of taking yourself seriously as a brand, because you get ama influencers or content creators or people nje abazi ukuthi their life is in the public domain and benza ama comments that now kusasa ayabavalela lawo mathuba. They don't realize ukuthi when the minute you become a brand, everything you say, everything you do, a camera is on you.
Yes, and then abanye abantu abayazi usibaleka ngana le brand ayibona lonto leyo, because kwesinye isikhathi ngizothini omunye umuntu uyangena ngenxa yokuthi khona usasi endaweni ukuthi but hayi ngenxa yesinku ukuthi sibaleka kanani mhlawumbe uyayizwa lento ngisho so abanye abantu banokwenza ezinye izinto bekhohle ukuthi like buy brand at the end of the day yabo amanye ama brand awafuna ukuyi-associate ne brand engenza ukuthi brand yabo ife
of course
angithebona le so once waqala wena wayithatha as a brand indlela oyirepresenta ngayo wena
every day
yes indlela oyiphatha ngayo wena indlela abantu abazokutreata ngayo.
I see a lot of brands, they make that mistake.
Yes.
Angasube excitement. I don't even know ukuthi umuntu maka type something, a post. Akacabangi first ukuthi wait.
Akumele uposte noma
what are the consequences? Yes.
Akumele sokuxabana nomuntu manje wena. Ubucabanga ukuthi.
So when were you trained? Uke wathola leyo training ukuthi eish before now you're a brand. This is how you carry yourself or ucabangele nje. Yeah.
Iyangisiza kakhulu ukuthi before ngingene kwi content creation ngihamba nama content creator vele so bengibuka indlela abayiphatha ngayo ukuthi bay represent kanjani yabo ezizinto benginakho ukuthi njengobubuza ukuthi ini content iniholela kanjani mase kanje kwenziwa njani yabo mase kanza nje kusose kunjani bengitshela yabo so kube lula kakhulu kumina ukuthi ezinye izinto ezingisiza kakhulu mina ukuthi abafethu amaphutha abawenzayo mina bengifunda kuona
ngakafika alright
angithi yabo cause ezinye yabo nje mina nje ilokuzani i-account yami le ya TikTok sebenzaba yakhulu ukungihacka ngelinye ngihlukene ebese ngizazi vele content engakayenzi
and that happens
yes ebese ngizazi already bese ngizazi zonke ukuthi bebekhekha benza nje mina ngikwazi ngisho ukubuyisa i-account manje ngibe hikile ukuthi uyibuyisa kanjani ukuthi ile yakwena lokho ngakwazi i-content engakayenzi
I know you did your homework
shuthi sokukuningi osukufundile
like ngakayenzi content bese ngazi ukuthi mawuyenza nje omunye ukuthi wenza ukuthi okay
uyazi bafoko kune point oyikhulumile ne ubukhuluma ama brands ukuze asebenzisane nawe kumele ukuthi ube nabalandeli abaningi noma babheka indlela oyiphethe ngayo noma njengoba boshilo ukuthi uKFC wayefuna umuntu owumzulu so yini kahle ama brands asuka eyifuna emntwini ukuze basebenzisane naye
mina yabona lapho ngengidlane ngayo ngiqambela amanga angazi
I think it just depends on their campaign
or mhlambe mele bashayela iproposal lenyana uthi okay mina nginganenzela into eyikuthi ake ngithi mhlambe for example
mina ngasho ukuthi mina ngaba nenhlanhla mina because khona abantu abanama followers amakhulu kunami but ama opportunities batholi mina nami sangithusa manje because mina ayipheli week ama brand izawutreka ngithintanga.
Wow. All right. That one deserves a round of applause.
Straight up. Nice.
Because I believe it's one of those things as well that you don't you don't consciously say ngifuna ama brands azela
imali engenzile mina ama deals over 50k ngiyakutshela
you must just be you do your work azozela mangabayeza but awuhambi lapho uthi
kwesikhathi futhi ngile ukuthatha ama-shots awanje kwa KFC ngathatha ama-shots ngenye indlela esimanga bafika ne-budget nje ukuthi mina ngathi ngifuna imali ukuthi bayivuma banginikeza futhi
alright
yebo
halala
nje angazi ngizothini uNkulunkulu nje uNkulunkulu
and uNkulunkulu
bangazi nami ukuthi yiphi indlela engasi yenzeni ukuze ama brand deals anithini.
I totally agree with you. I think you just be you, do your work and they come and they just
because the reason why ngibuza ne sengenzela nakuloyo mhlambe onesifiso sokuthi aqale or nalo osaqala you understand osasemusha mfethu egamini understand ukuthi like engasithola yini sibenzisana nebrand enkulu or umntana abantu angazibulala acabanga ukuthi hayi mhlambe mele ngirishe 50 million followers or 50 million subscribers
ushuthi isiphathe ngalendlela kuze ama brand deals ezokuthina ngoba ngazolo ukuthi lelene ngikhipha kuyona yiyo le ama brand deals ayithanda but abathito kwamanje yabo because angazi ukuthi yiphi indlela engizothi
ngayo and you understand
hayo ukuze ama brand deals because kwayinami ngavele ngayenzi ngazenzela icontent
I feel
mengithi nje ngaba email laba bangithinta bathi sicela promote ukuthi senzele ukuthi something senzele ukuthi because khona manje nje akangithinte ngisho ukuthi la ngifuni
So bathinta wena straight or bathinta agency or bathinta manager?
Bathinta mina
Straight.
Yes,
okay.
Straight.
All right.
Ngifakile lapha kwibhayo.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Back to being a brand. Yazi, you are in the public in terms of social media. Khona abantu aba-right, khona abantu abadelelayo, khona abantu who'll just provoke you. Bakusukele nje. How do you handle that?
Mina.
Umuntu abakusukela nje ufuna ukukumoshela ibrand yakho. How do you handle that?
Ngivele ngifaka uHearts phela.
Yeah. Ayimoshela isikhathi.
Abaningi mhlawumbe usuyo ukhuluma into yabona ngathi siyangicika ufuna ngimphendule. Kunokuthi ngifike ngibhale igama siphikisane. Into engeke uzuyiphendule.
Because nokubona amanye ama celebrities
bayakhuluma abantu abangilazi.
baphendula.
Ngiphenduleleke. Wena uyapha. Ngiyathula ngiyabuka. Phela. Ngoba asikho isidingo sokuthi mina ngiphendulane naye. Lokho ngitshela. Bakhona abazokwenza lokho.
Yeah.
Comment section.
Now uyaku-experience.
Ngoba khona laba abakuthandayo vele. Yeah, abazomlwela.
Ubuku TikTok uzosho ukuthi sosukhuluma umuntu omthandayo omlandelayo. Avela athi umuntu ayabhethi content yalomjitha. Uthi hawu mina ngimthanda kangaka.
Hayibo.
Uyahlanya lothi ngiphendule mina lo. Uyahlanya wena kanje nje sothi mina ngimphendulanga but ngibonile message.
But uwafunda wonke ama messages, ama comments, because sometimes nokubona umuntu has 100 and what reactions, 1,000 reactions, 100 and something thousand reactions, 20,000 comments, and then when uphendule 1 2 3 nyana. Do you actually have time to read all your comments?
Yeah, kusisikhathi depend ukuthi busy soki kangakanani. Kusisikhathi kuyenzeka mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ngizofika ngipost i-video bese ngiyaphuma endlini ngiyahamba somewhere ngithi ngiyabuya asemaningi kakhulu.
Okay.
Then like awazi ukuthi uphendule yipi yabo.
Hey, ungasazi.
Siwayeka yabo.
Awuntshele nje ama comments awu 10,000 uzowaphendula wonke.
No.
Kodwa awucabangi bafu ukuthi kulento oyenzayo kuyadinga ukuthi mhlambe uqhashe umuntu ozobhekana nawe
nje social media.
Yes, vele mekhambe isikhathi kuzoba kanjalo but okwamanje yonke into ngisakwazi ukuyishela yona okwamanje yabo. Because manje
mina ngicela ungiqhashe ngeBodyguard yakho. iBodyguard usonayo yona.
Lutho akakabila.
Cha manje ngayifaka yini CV yami mfethu nje uyibeke nje ecaleni nje. Anytime avule umsebenzi.
Insizwa ngingedwa.
Akazi sikuthembe.
Ngishumle insizwa ngingedwa isifufule.
Yeah.
Ngiyakwenzeke lutho.
So yakuvikela le bulletproof.
Yebo kakhulu. But into engayitshela ama actors esisebenze nawo batshela ukuthi abayiqali content ngeke beluze lutho ngalokho but kuzovuleka ama opportunities amaningi.
Now, which production houses or production companies locally would you like to see yourself working with?
Chetha.
Kyama.
Production
I think you producer Umvango. Ne?
No.
No. Word of mouth.
Yes.
King man mara.
Chetha yona bishuthi ithonga.
Okay.
That's what you'd like to.
And it's one of the biggest production companies.
Kinilwe casting director.
Okay.
Awukinilwe.
All right.
Cha awumenzele phela umusa.
Speak it into existence.
Yeah, and make them happen.
The universe is listening.
Yeah.
Obvious. Ungafisa ukuyaphesheya ne?
Chetha.
But even overseas, you'd love to go.
Yeah,
mangaveli thuba.
No, ikhona opportunity esilungisayo ezovela ukuthi ngiyekhona. Yeah, ikhona impela. Kungenzeka nje impela.
Hayi.
Yeah, kungenzeka.
So
kungenzeka impela.
Mara don't say too much until it manifests. So ikhulekisa for now.
Kungenzeka.
Usithole usule phesheya.
Indlela eshesha ngayo impilo yami yokungenzeka. Kwenzeka fast konke. Njengoba ngithi
2026 is your year.
Yeah, I feel ngazuthi inyaka usuyophela because kuningi sekwenzakalile. This year kuningi kakhulu.
Guys, this year khaniqala.
Yes, because the bano engigibele this year khipha ngishishumi.
Lutho.
Yona.
Yeba. Yo,
what poster were catching flights, not feelings.
Catching flights, not feelings. I know that statement.
Wakubuthi bagibela flights, catching flights, not feelings.
Yes.
Bekuwena this year.
Yeah, yo kwenze kuningi kakhulu. This year, kulonyaka.
Uthi akakhiphanga ishishumi, which means it was probably an endorsement or a brand deal or mhlawumbe uhamba ngomsebenzi, right?
Yes.
So next year, or let's not even talk about 2026 kuningi so wenzakala in your life this year, but isifiso sakho next year, where would you like to see yourself? 2027 on screen.
Yes, because you're sort of that sense ukuthi ngenze content.
And you're going there.
Yes,
you're going there.
So that's that ngihlezi ngikhuleka every day ukuthi ngathi ngeke kungenzeka yabo ukuthi because I mean like you're into ukuthi ngiqale content.
You're intentional ukuthi lana ngiyazimaketha
because like ama auditions wenzile like you've been training for it lokunjani acting like sizame konke ama agents akhona sinawo siya auditiona every day but akwenzi lutho
nivuke kuseni phela ama auditions bafunani bafike 5:00 beyond location
sizame konke but mangabe like sekuqala content nje yathi hayi sengifikile la sengikhona ufunani mfana wami yasiyangenzela content ngifunayo yabo because even manje sekukhona ama agents like ebengiyihlupha ngawo sekuyibona ngitexta manje
wow I like that.
I
like that. Yeah.
Bafuna ukumanage. Ngithi hayi. Sengiyakhethela ukuthi agents engifuna ukungena kuyona.
I love that. So now we can say ukuthi usafocus kwi-career okwamanje, but akhona ama plans ukuthi uzithole if you don't have it yet. Une family yakho from wena. Hayi umama nabo baba ekhaya.
Yes.
Akhona lawo
yes,
wishes.
Umndeni omkhulu because uma ungizale ngaba ngedwa mama.
Okay.
Mina ngedwa ingana nayo. Uma kwafuthi nakhona ezengizobela ngacelwa mina. Ngacelwa mina because umama uzalwe ngenyanga yesi-12 uma ngithe umuntu ukhulela 9 months uma wazalwa ngenyanga yesi-12 noma yeah because kuthi nakhona kama mama ulindiwe that is why kwathiwa walindwa kakhulu yes so into eyenzeka dala ekhaya kwakufika izayoni
okay
bekufika izayoni mase sifike ziya prophetha lapha nekhazi ithi ugogo ukhulelwe inyoka which is uma ukuthi umuntu lo ngeke aphile isikhathi eside uzohlala isikhathi esincane bese yashona khulekwe-ke yonke lonto leyo uma wazalwa ekhaya uma endlini phakathi ya ubaba kama wasashithi ilindiwe kule ngane sayilinde isikhathi eside kanje so that is why kulindiwe igama lami so uma wathi bengabe khulu esena 13 waphinde waphuma isiprofethi futhi utshela ukuthi ingane ikazabe nayo yabo but kwakhulekwa yabo
uNkulunkulu mkhulu
kwakhulekwa yabo kwakhulekwa kwaze kwavela mina kuphela ingane nayo akaphindanga wayithola ingane still namanje uma usayifuna izingane but akukaze kwenzeke futhi yabo that is why ngisamukelo ngiphinde ngibe umduduzi
all right
yes
that's a beautiful testimony
so that is why like ngikuthanda umndeni omkhulu
ngiyafisa uba nomndeni
noma uyathanda futhi kakhulu yazi mase uthi uyayibuka le ndaba vela khaya
wena mama's boy wena umama's boy uclosely mama
yeah cool
I can pick that up
usaphila yena uma
vela khaya base kuwele
manje bafo awusho ke we3 omncane uma wakho uthini mfethu like ngesuccess yakho
uyajabula because mina manje sengisendela yena imali akusayena oyilithaka
yo Shuthi wena uyisibusiso empilweni yakhe noma wayisibusiso nje empilweni yakhe
sekuyi vice versa manje
uyasho ukuthi that day ngize ngiyoboleka imali ukuze nginikeze labantwana imali yokugibela ngenze kahle
sangithebo like kuningi kakhulu okushintshile
manje wena unayo inkosikazi bafo
no ngakabila
ithekeni inyane sayidini phela azama content creator njengoba uhlezi ushuta nabo sister abahle kanye phela nginowabukela mosama content wabo hlezi ushuta nabo sister baba grand
yebo ukhona
cha ngiyayibuzela phela
ukhona yini
futhi kakhulukazi nje since 2026 akuphethe kahle bafo hayibo
babhekile bazwile ukuthi hey
iyangena imali
bazoba so
ching
emva kwakho
hayi utho-ke ngihlupheke kakhulu ukuthi ngingabhizi namantombazana
because ufocused
ngazo ngibuyisele
ingane zona
ngilazi ingane ezu-2
but he wants a bigger family
ufuna kakhulu lokho nje ezu-2 impela ingane zami
all right
abafana
would you like to see them also in this industry?
No, mdala uyayithanda kakhulu acting uyayithanda kakhulu but nginayo indlela engingenza ngayo ukuthi because mina sengiyazi and sengihluphekile futhi ukuthi I think futhi uNkulunkulu the reason why angihluphekise ngake is because nginengane zabafana.
Okay.
Ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibatshele ukuthi ulalelani bese kanje kuzokwenzeka.
Kuba kanje.
Bese kwenza ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanje. Yabo I think.
Lalela, now we are in this age esithusa kakhulu ye AI. A lot of things are now being done kuma labs or via computers, artificial intelligence. So ama careers amaningi they are scared ukuthi yazini one day umsebenzi wami yabusenziwa icomputer or one day
AI indlela ezangayo
but nani ku acting nibanale or content creation I don't think you have to be worried.
No.
I don't think you have to be worried.
I don't think so.
Tina, we should be worried because one day
yeah, you wanna abasenkingeni
nalabo abashaya amathili one day umuntu uzongena nje athi computer self service
umsebenzi uphelile
eWoolworths self service umsebenzi uphelile they don't need to
AI take over kakhulu ayathusa
so nina ama actors or content creators how do you feel
khona nje akuthi angaze ngiyibukele leya movie leyana ngangitshela ukuthi khona enye movie abayoyibuka eshuthwa iAI ngazi ukuthi uba wayithola ibudget ngazi imali ngaka yena wavelwe lo wayenza nje imali encane
there's a lot that is
iyawabulala amathuba emsebenzi
AI
which means now there's no need for camera
ukukhokhela main character ukukhokhela DOP ko cameraman yonke lo nto le wena mhlawumbe usizolile imillion uvela usebenzisa 100k
mhlambe no director they might just say we don't need a director
because isikhathi lapho mangabe usebenzisa izinto AI mhlawumbe uzomdinga phela mhlawumbe udirector uzoba seceleni ethi lokhana kwenzeka
but instead of maybe 2 directors because I know there's sometimes first director second director or but again first AD second AD I've worked in film first AD second AD third AD so maybe they may cut out some of those manje lapho khona
just setshenzwa mos lapho ifilming akudlalwa
I just spend futhi a lot of money
budgets
kakhulu so I think iyona into eyenza ukuthi abanye bethi hayi asifake ni AI so spend 100k phela so lo 100k bekumele uze kuyididi phela.
Should we be worried as content creators in South Africa?
Ngazi ukuthi bazophuma kanjani ngalento le AI.
Yeah, but I need to, obviously it's what they said. Digital media space is gonna cut off a lot of employment. Like, yeah. So njengoba ushilo bafuthi njengoba uwenza content creation kungcono futhi nokuthi usebenzisana nama brand kube khona okunye nje okwenzayo apart from
njengoba ngisho nje
stability.
Yeah, so you need to have that stability.
Yes, ngisho njalo ngoba ukube mina like ila goal inama opportunities amakhulu okudlula KZN. Yabona lento le. That is why abantu abaningi abase KZN besuke KZN bezala because la kunama opportunities amaningi yabona lento leyo so mase usula eJohannesburg uphinde futhi ukhuphe acting kuphela ama opportunities engaveli kanje uzoyithola usubuyele ekhaya phinde futhi uyohlala lapha ugcina nje usuthi hayi ngiyeka lento uhambe uyosebenza ugcina utshela ingane zakho ukuthi mina ngangifisa ukuthi yabo
ngizamile ngaphelela la
phayizisa asiza usisikhathi uzama ukuthi uzothatha kubike because mina i-content ngangayifuni nginengqondo ukuthi bathathe umsebenzi wethu but namhlanje i-content iyona engenza ukuthi ngikhulume kulo mbhobho
yabona that belief yokuthi bathathe imisebenzi yethu I think ayifrazwanga kahle
yes
It's not well phrased.
Yes, abayiphrasanga
kahle.
Khona any opportunity xa senze khona enye podcast engangiyibukile umsisi nje we-actress. Ethi ama-actors awayelokhu complain. Angithi nalokho elikhala ngokuthi ama-content creators athi umsebenzi wenu. Bawuthatha kanjani umsebenzi wenu? Why naningenzi lento abayenzayo?
Wena usitotshwa yini? What's stopping you from?
And as with Rimncane, there's something that I've once heard. They say abantu like who are on TV are celebrities, right?
Yes.
And those that are doing a content, what you call this?
Influencers.
They're influencers. Like why would you call somebody on TV a celebrity and the one doing a content is an influencer?
Because those on TV angithi bam-celebrate, bamjabulela, bafuna ukuhlanga, bafuna ukushootha like, but nako influencer.
I think it's just not
like,
phrased kahle.
Yeah, like it's really confusing, but ngicela ukuthi usichazele wena kabanzi like uyihlukanisa kanjani leyo?
Influence abantu ukuthi benze lento oyenzayo wena.
It's about bringing followers, influencing.
All right.
So with TV usoxoxa stories enzeka.
On TV, even if you can have one follower, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
With TV, yeah, influencer nje ngiya-influence ukuthi lesi skipper senze sibe nembobo bazosithanda abantu.
Hayibo. So okay, so injalo as like really like
followers and still get roles.
I didn't know that. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, ngiyabonga mfethu ngoba songichazelile because really like baby nokungishaya lento leyo ukuthi yeah, we balance kanjani yonke leyo nto.
So we're not being a creative 3 omncane. Would you one day mhlawumbe after 10 years or 15 years or 20 years would you unaso yini isifiso sokuthi one day nawe ube ne production yakho?
Yes,
or production house yakho? Okay.
Because before
now uqasha abantu
because before ngenze theater and everything qale ngashaya ma short film khumula kusakhona amazulu movie.
Nice.
Khumula kusakhona amazulu movie. Kusakhona ama CD zonke lezi. Yes, bengishoot like bengine camera shoot nje ngasekhaya before ngi-introduce-ke kwi-theater and everything. Then ke mase ngikwi-theater time ngishaya theater bekufuneka abantu abazo-edit noma bazoshoot ukuthi ngikuveze ukuthi ngaye ngakwazi ukwenza ukuthi and lokho ngikuveza.
So that became your pilot.
Yes. So manje kuyangisiza manje kwi-content because yonke into ngizenzela mina ngi-edithela mina ngizokuthi ukuthi yabo ngizenzela mina kwangisiza ukuthi
So who's writing the script for you lapha like
ngibhala script
like uvele ucabange nje into bese uyayenza?
Yes, abafethu laba ngisebenza nabo ngiyabatshela nje ukuthi kusasa siyashoot.
Okay.
Yes, but ama-idea ekhanda suke khona.
All right.
It's okay. Iskits sokuqala ngizoshoot siyabout ukuthi esesibili bese ngiyafika ngesipicture kwenu fika ngitshela ukuthi ne-idea bese uyangibuza wena idea yakhe ithini ngisho uzofika ufike kumina ungibuza ukuthi ngithi kwena ungibuza ukuthi ngithi but ekugcineni kumele siyivale ngokuthi ukuthi yabo but siyafreestyle sobona ukuthi sihamba kanjani yangithi yabo because isikhathi esiningi lesi ibhalile I we bore
ne
siyacabanga thina ukuthi abantu bazohlekisa ukuthi ngiyabhala mina ukuthi hayi wena lento engibhala la izokuhlekisa wenza ubhala sonke nje sidokuthi siyabhora.
Have you ever thought of doing reality TV?
Yeah. Angicotha siyakhuluma siyaveza yazi khona ngisashutha ngisebenza nabo nje Mr. Dabuti 2023 khona i-reality show bengiyishutha nje esefonini yami because bengiyishuthela mina ngi-edithela. Yes. And ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlanga khula nje kamnandi ngangena ku-industry kahle i-reality show ngithatha ngifake eceleni. Yeah.
Tell me about if you've ever experienced or if you've seen ukuthi this happens ukutshontshela nama ideas. Mhlawumbe ungixoxela ukuthi I have this in my mind the characters we're doing this whatever and then ngitshontshe ke mina ngoba ngazi bangman sasuyibone lapha ku TV but that's mine, that's my idea.
Yeah, because akukho lulu create akukho lulu kunzima create kunzima. So if wena ungalona i-creative unganayo futhi indlela yokuyishutha lento yakho ufike kumina uzongitshela hayibo uzongiphi imali enhle kanje
uyayithatha same time
mose uzohlala idea yakho 10 years ungenzi lutho
but that's not fair.
But ekuthatheni kwami ngeke ubone ukuthi ngithathile
uyayishintsha lapho nalapho.
I have a friend, the production yakhe was stolen and bashintsha igama. Baba what she's like, but that was Gary, did you copyright it? Which is another thing I want to protection of your ideas.
Abaye bakwazi ngalendlela leyo ukuthi bakwazi ukuyishintsha ungaboni ukuthi bewe.
Ungaboni ne?
Abayishintshe all. Ekuyishintshe yonke.
And bona because banimali banamandla bana what they
ukuthi lezi lama idea wakho nje bebe ukufake lapho kahle.
So yona idea uyivikela kanjani?
Uzoba ujuice lama idea yakho.
Because it's important to patent your ideas or protect.
Bese uyivikela kanjani anyway?
Yo ukuyivikeleni anginawo ulwazi oluningi ke ngithele kwenze njani mofuna ukuthi into kube yakho in terms of former copyright and everything.
You have to I think it also depends because I know there's writers, they have the copyright board act, what
they do have
even for film, I know
even musicians,
you know, so it's all up to you to know what craft are you doing and research and find out where do you pay, because I think per month or per year there must be an annual fee which you pay. I think for each.
And there's one thing that I've also realized, like when it comes to content creation, I think most content creators they have the same content, different characters, but okay, since into A1 mari uthatha nje abantu abahlukile abaningi.
Yes, ngendlela ehlukile.
Yeah
yenzeka lonto leyo.
And uthola ukuthi nonke iyanisebenzela. So uFacebook uyithatha kanjani into kanjalo ngoba kumele kube khona loyo osukeze nayo leyo nto leyo.
Facebook cause mina nginama account awu2 Facebook. Ngihola kuona u2 futhi. Ngipost video kodwa. Unemali 3 omncane.
How important is it to have, or is it important, or is it a must, or it shouldn't happen? Ukuthi ube ne account le yami and my family and my what le it's for a business.
Yes, ungakwenza lokho.
Is it necessary or you're just confusing?
Ukwena nje ukuthi uyafuna ukwenza lokho. Ukwenza.
Wena wenza njani and
mina
prefer
mina ngiyanginayo personal account ukuthi umndeni wami. Usho for Facebook.
Ukuthi le yami nabangani bami senza whatever sikhona nabanye family and friends.
Ngeke ngifuna ukuyiposta ngiposta lapha khona ama followers.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngiposta lapha I don't have a personal account at all.
Okay. Manje kuthatha isikhathi singakanani ukuthi uzotholela ama followers on Facebook? Ikakhulukazi because uFacebook I've once heard with algorithm ka Facebook inzima ifana nje ne YouTube like
ngifake ipressure kakhulu mina.
Kumele uposte kayingaki ngosuku mhlambe kay 20 kay 30 kay 50
yazi mina content mina ngiqale last year mina
last year
ukuthi ama video amahambe but ngiqale ngo2024 ama video engahambi but ukuthi ahambe qale last year ama video ukuthi ahambe like kwangempela yabo eva kwaloko asengifake ipressure even namanje mina ngiposta every day yabo but last year bengiposta ama video mhlambe awu 4 a day or 5 ahambe wonke futhi yabo so last year ngo February mina bengino 3,000 followers.
Wow.
Yes, last year February I had like 3,000 followers but imagine 300k followers.
Yeah, that's a lot, bro.
Yes, ngale ngina 3,000 followers.
So bese bakhona laba ababoostayo icontent ake ngithi mhlambe ngicreate into yami nje manje ngiyifaka lapho ngiyapost on my page and bese ngiyayiboosta leyo nto leyo. Again mhlambe ngiyayiboosta for a period of 3 months. Angithi like iyasho lapho uFacebook ukuthi you can boost your content for maybe 3 days and get 4,000 it can reach actually 4,000 people, you understand?
Yes.
So yini engcono ukuthi ngipushe kanzima or I take the easy way out of actually boosting a content yami ukuze ibonwe ngabantu abaningi like abantu abaningi.
Is boosting an easy way out?
No, it's what I'm asking him ukuthi like which one is the easy road?
Bengazi ngiboost mina. Like kokeli activity hambe.
Yeah.
Ngabe positivity hambe.
Ihambe.
Bengazi ngiboost.
So usually
because ukuthi ngiyisaba futhi lo boost uyaba force abantu manje ukuthi video yakho sibone enkani iphusha wena ukuthi abantu ifike ivideo yakhe ifike la ufuna ukuya khona kuze bese sihambile uyiqhenye usho ukuthi yeah
but business ugcine ngosuku yeah nami I would boost
usikhombisa 100k views
yeah baba
it's just 27 rand 50 rand
but business when I look at it
ama price ngiyabiza kakhulu boost
no I think the last time I checked the prices bebe lapho ma 250 rand it can reach mhlambe ma 4,000 people if I'm not mistaken
guys wait
you understand cha ku Facebook
angaza
so I think in China lapha ngama price but I think kunemali ethile kufanele ukuthi ibhadale sizokwazi bakuphushele into yakho
yabona nje ni last year khona i-brand deal engangiyitholile nje ade ngangisaba because angisebenzisa ivoice yami lapha ngangawenza skits yabo ngisaba ngithi yabo mali umuntu lo uzobona ukuthi imali yakhe ayikho ayikhiphele yona le wathi ngifuna ukuyibooster le video ngibone ukuthi so manje ngiyachecka lapha ama boost ibiza nje avele ngayipost njalo ehambela yona futhi nje yabo booster iwisi kuyabiza kakhulu awonje uzuthole nje 100k views ku-TikTok ukuthi uzobooster imali ongayikhiphi ngaphezulu mhlawumbe kwa 10k
all right
mhlawumbe ngaphezulu kwa 10k 100 views yo
but does egcinene ibusiness kodwa lelo ngoba phela kunabantu amele ukuthi bakhokhele mhlambe
but Kimo he's making it without boosting
ukuthi ulokhu njani 10k 400k views
all right so
400k views kabiza uboost ukucheck lapha news nje leyanto yakho ubona ukuthi ama views awu 100 malini uzobona sibiza kanjani
wrapping up
okay
what would you like to say to umuntu okubukela mhlawumbe umunye akaza akubone you know maybe on Facebook maybe akathanda social media maybe akabheki ama telenovelas or soapies and they're seeing you for the first time what would you like to say and where can people follow you
abasababa ngike ngayisho nje ukuthi basazobona umsebenzi wami mina I'm here to stay
he's here to stay ninizwela bafethu akayinda
you're on Facebook
nanombani namanje ngisasho nanombani ongifollowayo noma oseduze kwami olandela umsebenzi wami noma nongisebenza naye manje azi ukuthi angihleli ngiyadlula
right
hey with so much confidence ngiyadlula
yabo because like vision inkulu kakhulu
amen
like njengoba ngisho nje
utilize me now
njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi nje like the reason why ngenza content is because ngifuna ukuyibona ku TV and noma sengifikile ku TV namanye amaphupho nabo engizosebenza ngabazi ngiyadlula yabona into leyo basazongibona kakhulu into enganqamula konke lokho kufa
your handles go Facebook ubani
Facebook usangena umalo yes TikTok loncane Instagram loncane
so Facebook TikTok Instagram
because Facebook kwangingabela ukuthi ngisebenzise name
akhona ama clips akho nyana lena le on YouTube
yes akhona but abalawo ngisa actor nje khona ama monologue
okay there's some monologues on YouTube
there's khona ama monologue on YouTube yes
Sbu any closing
okay Dromncane mina nje ngijabulela mfethu ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi be nathi namhlanje on Progressive Podcast bonge isikhathi sakho kakhulu mfethu and we wish ukuthi uNkulunkulu akwenze kahle kule ndima usuyithathile kule ndima usuyikhethile ungathi nje ungakhula nje mfethu udlondlobale you understand lamabhanoyi lawo usuwaqalela ukugibela mawaze nje ngobuningi
aze nama private
kuze nje nama private jet kuze nje nama bathini lena ibhanoyi lena enkulu kakhulu le bathi yini le o 747
Boeing something
o Boeing wathi intontoni sicela ukuthi mfethu kube njalo. You understand? And as for you guys out there who are watching this episode today, bafethu sicela ukuthi ni support u3 omncane on his social platforms njengoba bekashilo, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on our podcast, Progressive Podcast, whether ugeza amakhepu erenki ebhara noma ubhayisa ama veggie or na ufuna like podcast or ufuna create your own content, ntanga ungapheli moya uyangithola siho.
And futhi enye into like abantu kwesisikhathi abanye basaba ukuqala into.
Okay.
Of course ngenxa ukuthi usibona ngakhula nawe uzongibuka kanjani. Wena ngako
uzothi ngiyakukopisha
umuntu wami uzongibuka abantu abangakwazi bazokusupport.
Of course.
Injalo.
Abantu abangakwazi
injalo.
Hey.
Abantu abangakwazi they will support you.
Of course.
Abantu abangakwazi.
And you know what? Don't be afraid to post. Mina, I'm a person who's reserved. Ne? And sometimes when I post something, you are showing off, you're bragging. But no, it doesn't matter. Market yourself.
Yeah,
Post. I was actually told by somebody, post.
Because nami ngisaqala mina ngisaqala. Post abafita abaningi. Abaye bengisendele bengihleka bethi
yini waba isiqefe kanje. Borekile.
Post ubonwa abangani bakho. Ubona abantu abasondelene nawe
discourage
bethi hayi baba bathi kwathi sengiqala ngilandela abantu abangangazi.
Yes. Post away. Someone
keep
is watching.
Posting bafethu, keep posting. Naswela bafethu u3 omncane uqale kanjani. And please posta lawo ma video, posta lawo mculo, posta lawo ma skits, posteke nawe. Progressive Podcast.
And be you. Look at him. He's him.
Danko.
And he's getting brands because he's him. So sibonge kakhulu Puti, continue to be you. Next time masibona sikubona unje asifusho sibona uyinika nika ne. No, be you. Thank you for joining us, and Nati, we're behind you. Thank you.
Danko.